Ever pondered the mystery of transforming your cozy nest into a fragrant paradise without breaking the bank on fancy scented candles? Well, ponder no more. Today we unravel 5 natural, do-it-yourself alternatives that will not only make your home smell heavenly, are also easy on the pocket. First on the list we have the classic simmer pot. Gather some aromatic ingredients like citrus peels, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Fill a pot with water, add these ingredients, and allow it to simmer on the stove. The heat will release the scents and fill your home with a warm, welcoming aroma. Secondly, consider creating a coffee bean candle. Pick up a small glass jar, fill it halfway with coffee beans, and nestle a tea light candle on top. As the candle heats, it warms the coffee beans, releasing a cozy, invigorating coffee scent. The third option involves crafting a lavender sachet. Take a small breathable fabric pouch and fill it with dried lavender buds. Stitch it up and place these sachets in different corners of your home, like closets or drawers. Lavender is known for its calming effects, and these sachets will give your home a subtle, relaxing aroma. Fourthly, the power of essential oils comes into play. Invest in a good quality oil diffuser and some essential oils. Choose your favorite scent, be it peppermint for a refreshing aroma or eucalyptus for a calming effect. Add a few drops into the diffuser with water, and it will disperse the scent throughout your home. Lastly, try your hand at making a baking soda air freshener. Take a small jar, fill it with baking soda, and add in 15 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Poke holes in the jar lid, and there you have it, a homemade air freshener. The baking soda absorbs bad odors while the essential oils add a pleasant scent. So there you have it, 5 natural, cost-effective ways to make your home smell divine without resorting to expensive scented candles. Each of these methods offers a unique, welcoming aroma that can be customized to your liking. But what about you? Have you tried any of these DIY alternatives? Or perhaps you have your own unique methods to make your home smell nice? Do share.